Do not re-elect Judge Eric Moyer for his fourth term for this 14th Civil District Court. Not only because he's a Democrat, but he's a tyrant. Guarantee it. This is from his campaign website. Dear Dallas County citizens, I'm honored to be part of the system. I say this is just a system, but it's a system. Now in my third term and seeking a fourth as presiding judge of the 14th Civil District Court, I take my work very seriously by throwing salon owners in jail and possibly letting out criminals so they don't get the coof. Because our legal framework is an integral part of the bedrock of our civilization and our democracy. See, he obviously doesn't know his job. We're part of a representative republic. We're a constitutional republic, not a democracy. I approach my work each day hoping to throw salon workers for 7 days in jail. I mean, as a steward of the public trust, maintaining a venue in which both sides have a chance to be heard. But notice that in our system, the judges, the district attorney, the police, all work for the government, and they're all against you. Imagine that. In which attorneys and litigants are treated fairly, while we like to throw salon owners in jail, trying to put food on their table for their kids, and getting people, back to work. Because, screw them, because I have a job, because I'm Judge Eric Moyer. But you don't, so, you can, go. And litigants are treated fairly and with respect, unless you're a salon owner. My role in the community does not end at the courthouse. I'm also committed to nurturing the next generation of legal minds, only if you're a liberal and a Democrat. But if you're a conservative Republican, through mentoring and education, I regularly engage in university teaching and working with legal professional organizations, probably Amnesty International, and getting illegal aliens back in the country, most likely, because he's a Democrat. Although partisanship has no place in my courtroom, I'm also proud to call myself a lifelong member of the Democratic Party, with a history of helping with campaigns and party building. Right there is all you need to know about this man and why he did what he did yesterday to Shelley Luther. That's it. That is it. That's it. I could stop right there and end it. As I seek re-election in 2020, I ask for your continued support and your vote. I realize you have placed your faith in me to be fair, hardworking judge. I pledge to maintain a supreme commitment to my role as your public servant. And if you remember my last video, he said that, how dare you, to Shelley Luther, stand up and demean and just spit at the public servants. Eric Moyer, if I can call you that, you're a public servant. So you just don't automatically get my respect. Not only are you a Democrat, I don't respect you because exactly of that. Because of your political ideology. You have none of my respect, sir. And I use sir sarcastically. I appreciate you taking the time to visit my campaign website and hope you'll become involved in my campaign. Sincerely, Judge Eric V. Moyer, Democrat, 14th Civil District Court. Now, the only silver lining to this is that on Shelley Luther's GoFundMe, hopefully this is the correct one, she's already up at $344,763. Now, if this was her intended case, good for her. And I'd donate if my wife would let me. But Shelley is an American hero that has decided to resist tyranny by reopening her business against the unlawful state executive order. Her business, Salon a la Mode, offers the services for hairs and nails, microblading, blah, 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 blah. Shelley and her team will likely face legal action, fines, and more during her journey back to freedom. She is doing what everyone else is only talking about in a patriotic move to take her back her liberty. Please support Shelley and her employees by contributing to this worthy cause. You will not just be supporting Shelley, be supporting the idea that our founders put in writing the Constitution. 100% of all donations will go directly to Shelley Luther. And hopefully those donations will go to her business and or employees, which I think they should. Rick Hire Organizer says she's in jail as of yesterday. This is Wednesday. Getting a ton of information regarding the judge that sentenced her for not only following herself to be shamed. The fight will continue, and this will continue to fundraise. Thank you all from the bottom of our hearts, and God bless you abundantly. I agree. What this judge right here did was tyrannical, flat out. Even Greg Abbott and Ken Paxton, Attorney General, of course, they're politically separate on the political spectrum, ideology, if you will. So, of course, Eric Moyer isn't going to do this. He's not going to let her go. And if he does, it's because he wants to get reelected. Simple as that. That's an update for day 53. I'll see you tomorrow.